Hi Shreya and Adarsh.
Hi.
Look here. Hi. So, what are we going to do today?
Activity.
Activity. So, are you ready for a brand new day?
Yay!
Okay, shall we start with our activity?
Yes.
Yes. What are we going to do today?
Fruits.
We are doing imitation. Sounds of a local vendor. Okay? So, firstly, what you are going to do? You have to separate it. You have to keep in separate plates. Adesh, put all the apples in the... Yeah. Good job, Adarsh. Then you put all the sweet limes in this. Hold this. Yeah. Another fruit in this plate. Come on.
Yeah.
No, these mangoes you can keep.
Yeah.
Keep here. Yeah, good. Come on. Keep all the tomatoes in this. Shreya, keep all the tomatoes.
All the tomatoes. Mummy, paisa.
Yes.
Chanda, chanda. Wait. Mummy,
Yeah. So much long time you are taking, Shreya. Let it be. No problem. Shreya, leave it. Right. That's it. It will not fit into that like that, Shreya. You can keep it. Yeah, like that. Shreya, put all the potatoes in this. Yeah, keep on the table. Keep on the table. Why? Good job, Shreya. Yeah. Put all the green chilies in this plate. And green chilies in the plate now. You can keep this bitter gourd also along with green chili. Okay? Now what else you have? See, this is curry leaf. What is this? Curry leaf. Also called karvepak. Okay? Look here, karvepak. Okay? And what is this? Coriander. What is this? Look here. Hold this. Hold this. Coriander. Yeah. What we say? Kothmir. Kothmira. Keep here. Yeah. Keep. Now what you have? Mint. What's this? Mint. Pudina we say. What we say? Pudina. In local language we say pudina. Okay? Others, show me where are apples? Yeah. Where are mangoes? Sweet lime. Papaya. Tell me what's this?
Tomatoes.
Potato. Aloo. Okay? What's this? Bitter gourd. Also we say in local language kakarkaya. Okay? What's this?
Green chili.
Green chilli. What we say to this?
Green chili.
We say mirpakaya. Okay? And what's this? Bottle gourd. What's this? Look here. Sorakaya we say. What we say? Sorakaya. Okay? And yeah. Come on, start.
Papaya, mango,
Hmm. Mm.
papaya, mangoes, sandla, apples,
You should say tomatoes. You have to say. Okay? Who wants to buy? Come on.
Who wants to buy?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
What's that?
Tomato.
Okay. You say how that local vendor say? Shreya? How that local vendor, that uncle? He says, Akukuralu, he says, no? Come on, you say. Yeah. Good job.
Papaya, mangoes, sandla, apple.
Good job. Yeah. How much this apple?
5 rupees.
5 rupees. Okay. Take. Give me one apple. How much mango?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Okay. Mango. Okay. Mosambi enta?
1 rupee.
Okay. Give me.
Chal.
Tomato enta rupees?
5.
5 rupees. Okay. Now. మిరపకాయలు
6.
6 rupees. Okay. Use your right hand. Give me. Give me. మిరపకాయలు give me. Yeah. Wait.
Then
Now. కరివేపాకు ఎంత?
5.
5 rupees. 5 rupees. Okay. Sing.
Kukakalai. Bolo.
Come on, Adarsh.
Fruits, papaya, mango, and the mango there. Vegetables, 5 rupees.
Okay.
Papaya.
Papaya is 5 rupees. Okay.
5 rupees.
How much papaya?
5 rupees.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. ఓకే సొరకాయ ఎంత?
5.
5 rupees.
Meadows.
Okay. So arrange a market setup using fruits and vegetables available at home. Encourage them to arrange fruits and vegetables in a few plates. They can sort and arrange each type of fruit or vegetable in a plate. So help them identify each fruit and vegetable arranged in the market setup by name. and let them stand or sit near the market setup and prompt them to call out the names of fruits and vegetables like a local vendor. You may first show a demo and encourage them to mimic you. They may also imitate the local vendor in vernacular language. Be the customer and pretend play with your child by buying fruits and vegetables from them. So, how this activity helps? Vocabulary. How much mango? How much? ఎంత బాబు మ్యాంగో? ఎంతకొకటి? 5 rupees each.
No, 5 rupees.
5 rupees.
1 rupees.
Okay. Yeah. యాపిల్ ఎట్లా ఇస్తున్నావు బాబు? ఎంతకొకటి?
10 rupees.
10 రూపీస్కి ఒకటా? 5 రూపీస్కి ఒకటి ఇవ్వవా?
Nako.
5 రూపీస్కి ఇవ్వవా బాబు? 5 రూపీస్ ఇవ్వవా? ఒకటి 10 రూపీసా? ఓకే. గివ్ మీ మ్యాంగో. సారీ యాపిల్. గివ్ మీ యాపిల్. 10 రూపీస్ ఇచ్చా కదా బాబు, యాపిల్ ఇవ్వు. ఓ, నో మనీ నో వెజిటబుల్స్. యు ఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ వెజిటబుల్స్. ఓ, ఓకే ఓకే. కాకరకాయ ఎట్లా ఇస్తున్నావు అమ్మా? కాకరకాయ ఎట్లా ఇస్తున్నావు? 5 రూపీసా? ఓకే. గివ్ మీ కాకరకాయ. అది సోరకాయ కదమ్మా, నేను చెప్పిన కాకరకాయ. బిటగాడ్. బిటగాడ్ ఐ సైడ్ నో. యా. 5 rupees. So children love to mimic elements from their surroundings. This activity provides your child a great opportunity to imitate the sounds of a local vendor and improves their vocabulary. So coming to imitation, in this activity your child imitates the vendor and pretend plays to sell the fruits and vegetables.
Right hand.
This helps improve their communication and social skills.
టమాటో టమాటో అమ్మా. టమాటో ఎట్లా? 5 రూపీస్. 2 రూపీసా? బాటిల్ గార్డ్ ఎట్లా? సొరకాయ. సొరకాయ 1 రూపీ. ఫోర్ రూపీస్కి 4 రూపీస్. రైట్ హ్యాండ్. కరేపాకు. కరేపాకు. కరేపాకు 2 రూపీస్.
Yeah.
ఎంత ఒకటి యాపిల్?
10 rupees.
10 రూపీసా? ఒకటి ఒకటి. ఒకటి. మ్యాంగో ఎట్లా? మ్యాంగో. మ్యాంగో 2 రూపీస్. ఒకటి. మ్యాంగో మ్యాంగో.
You want to exchange fruits and vegetables? Okay.
మ్యాంగో
Wait. I will make you do.
మ్యాంగో మ్యాంగో. ఇగో 2 రూపీస్. పపాయ ఎట్లా? పపాయ 1 రూపీ పపాయ. పపాయ అయినా పపాయ.
గ్రీన్ చిల్లీస్, దోస్ ఆర్ గ్రీన్ చిల్లీస్, మిరపకాయలు. మ్మ్. మ్మ్. No, that is coriander. కొత్తిమీర్.
ఎట్లా కొత్తిమీర ఎట్లా? 2 రూపీస్. 2 రూపీసా? 4 రూపీస్. పచ్చిమిర్చి.
సొరకాయ 3 రూపీస్.
3 రూపీసా? టమాటా టమాటా ఎట్లా? టమాటా 2 రూపీసా? 2 రూపీస్. 1 రూపాయా? 1 రూపీ ఇయ్యి నాకు. 1 రూపీ ఇయ్యి. టమాటా ఇయ్యి. టమాటా ఇయ్యి. టమాటా.
Shreya, you want to eat? Okay, I will give you, okay? No. Okay, chalo. Did you enjoy this activity? You want to play for more time? Okay. Firstly, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Both of you.
Bye-bye.
Shreya, come on.
Bye-bye.
Come on, Shreya, say bye-bye.